By making simple food videos, you can make between £3,000 and £50,000. Yeah, that's pound a month. Yeah. Now, sounds too good to be true, but I'm going to show you a couple of YouTube channels that are doing just that, and I will show you and explain how you can make the same kind of videos, dead simple and easy. And yeah, let's get into this, guys. Before we get started, I'm Jay Roberts, and this is Building My Empire, where I upload videos of how to make money online, as well as document my journey of how I'm making money online, trying to build an empire for my two sons. Now, let's get into this, guys. The first website we come to is a site of, well, a YouTube channel called Babbletop. Yeah, it's just a simple food channel, and what they do is they're uploading videos such as top 10 untold truths of ocean spray, top 10 worst candies ever made. Yeah, so just making like top 10s and 10 reasons why you shouldn't eat McDonald's. And you can find all this kind of information over on Google. You just type in whatever you want to learn about. You can upload snippets. Yeah, because you don't want to copy it word for word, so you just upload snippets of the whatever article you're reading about, and you turn it into a simple video. You can do the voiceover yourself. You don't have to. If you look at some of these videos, they're not showing the face. It's faceless videos, which makes it even better. And you can do a voiceover. You can pay someone else to do a voiceover. You can even just put text along the bottom. Yeah, you don't even have to do the voiceover. Although I do highly recommend it, guys. Now, a lot of these you can use stock footage. You can go over to sites like Pixabay, Pexels, and there's lots more. And actually, if you look in the description of this video, you will see that I'm giving away a lot of free resources. So if you click on it, you can get lots of different. I give you like lots of different sites, or lists of sites, list of add-ons and stuff like that, what you can get for you for free, guys. So have a look in the description, yeah. Now, if you look, these are some of them, some simple videos, different stock footage, different, a lot of top 10s and 10s, guys, yeah? So if you go over to a website called Socialblade, it gives you the stats of how much these guys are making each month, yeah? So if you can see, Babbletop, they are making between 1,400 to 22,000. That's a month, guys. That's monthly earnings. And sorry, guys. And this is just off ad revenue. Yeah. So if you want to make more, then you add affiliate links. So you go over to your video, and in the description you'll add affiliate links, and you could like go to sites like Amazon. You can advertise some food products. Yeah, some food Tupperware and that, what you use some cutlery and stuff like that, guys. Yeah. And you put the affiliate link in your description. If they click on it and buy, you earn a commission. Well, we're not talking about affiliate marketing today, guys. We're talking about ad revenue, yeah? And then this is just ad revenue. Now, imagine if you're earning just an extra 1,400 a month just for uploading videos. If we quickly go back to the channel, guys, these are uploading videos. Like every day they're uploading videos, but there's some channels what ain't. And now I'll show you another video in a minute, another channel in a minute, guys. But for now, it's between 16.5 and 263 a year. Yeah. Now, I've spoken to quite a few different people who's making money online through ad revenue, and they all say you never go off this number, and they're earning about 4 to 5 times whatever this first number is, basically. So call it in the middle, yeah. Either way, guys, 1,400 extra on your wage or extra a month is great, isn't it? Just for doing just uploading some videos without showing your face. Now, another channel that I came across is called Mashed. And if you look at those, they've got similar kind of videos where they're not showing the face, they're just showing basic like stock footage of stuff. And they're just secrets of the Sam's Club food court, yeah. Subway might not be around much longer, and they put in like catchy titles, so then you click on it, guys. Yeah, now they're uploading every day. Yeah, quite a few a day sometimes, and they're getting good views. Let's have a look at that last channel actually. Yeah, look, 14,000, 29,000, 12. Now, if we look at now, what you can do, guys, you can if you type in street food, yeah, because it's this time of the year, guys, where a lot of like Christmas markets and like um, well, yeah, Christmas markets are setting up, so you can go up to the markets and a lot of them sell food, so you can video record them making food, yeah, and then upload them. Just talk about look at this. Uploaded 5 months ago and it's got 6.8 million views. Yeah, a lot of people searching for this kind of stuff. You upload, they're not even made a thumbnail, guys. They're just using whatever. So this is even easier. Yeah, you go, you take your little camera, your mobile phone. Yeah, you go to the different Christmas markets. Yeah, you just record it. Just record the making the food. You don't have to put the people in it. Yeah, you don't have to record anybody, and then you just record that. Yeah. Now let's go have a look at these called Dancing Bacons. Yeah. So over on Dancing Bacons, yeah, this one, they're making 3.1 thousand to 50,000.2 a month, guys. Yeah. That works out at between 37.6 thousand to 602. That's over £500,000. Yeah. £500,000. Yeah. It's going to be a lot more in dollars. Yeah. No, I think dollars is less. Yeah, dollars is less, guys. So it's going to be £602,000. That's a lot of money, guys, isn't it? 37,000 a year. That's over in the UK. That's more than a lot of people who earn that, guys. Like your basic job, your standard job, like where you work in a warehouse or you work at McDonald's or Burger King, stuff like that. You're on less than that, far less than that. Yeah. I've got a friend who works in a warehouse. He works a lot of hours, and he earns about 20,000 a year. Yeah. So imagine if you can do that just by uploading videos, going to different markets. Because throughout the year, different markets are set up in the guys. You can go to them, make videos like that. But this is where it gets good, guys. If you don't want to make these videos, go over to a site called Fiverr. Yeah. Type in street food, and look, people will provide delicious like food recipes with videos. Yeah, they will make homemade food video, and food videos. And you can have a look at some of these, and they make different stuff. There's different prices. Yeah, you got like £20, you got £16. Yeah, £12. You can have a look, guys. Like street food here, starting at £4. Yeah. Um, you just got to find the right one, guys. You look on here and you look for the ratings. You look for how many people are that. You also make sure. Yeah, so you'll do a voiceover for you if you want. You want to make your video, and that's how easy it is, guys. So this is how to make money online with video. Yeah. And today we're looking at food videos. Tomorrow or in a couple of days' time, I'm going to upload some more videos of how to make money on YouTube, and we'll go through lots of different topics. Yeah, lots of different niches, so you can come back and find the right niche here, guys, because there's lots of different ways you can make money. Now, I'm currently making money with a movie channel, guys. Yeah. Let me just show you something here. Let's see if I can find it. Yeah. So my channel, Movies Games Beyond, yeah. I learned about this. I just started learning, yeah, and I'm earning between £71 and 1,000 a month, guys. Yeah, now, that's not as much as those other guys, is it, guys? But bear in mind, I've only just started. Look, if you look here, just started now. It's starting for climb. I'm starting for make finger. As you can see, the subscribers are starting for grow. Yeah. And it shows down. If you look down here, it shows different prices, like what I'm making each day and each video. And yeah, guys, this is my channel. Yeah, Movies Games Beyond. If you look in the corner, yeah, there, yeah, that's the Movies Games Beyond logo. Yeah, because I'm just new to this Streamlabs live thing. So, guys, as soon as my telly's going to switch off in a minute. Yeah, so this is my channel, guys. I am making money. I'll tell a lie, it's not that, guys. Yeah, like I said earlier, this is how I know things. So come and check. Come and check what kind of videos I'm making, guys. Yeah, I'm making that kind of money off the videos I'm making. I don't show my face in a lot of my videos. Yeah, like I said, you can make videos like this if you want. Yeah, these are a bit more. They're not as hard because you can just use stock pictures, yeah, and videos, and then put a bit of voice over it or put a bit of text over it. Or you can go down this route, sorry, and make videos like this. This is the easiest, guys. You've got a mobile phone. All you have to do is go and record it. Yeah. You can even come and have a look at some of these. You can do it from all around the world, guys. You don't have to be in the UK or the United States. You can go to lots of different places, guys. Just make videos. Yeah, make videos of people food. People like watching these foods. Look, 9.3 million. Yeah, 35,000. That's 2 days ago. 35,000. These are simple videos. What you can make. You don't have to do any editing. You just make the video. You don't have to make any thumbnails. You just upload the video. Guys, this is easy, yeah, and it's Christmas time soon. Lots of different markets are going to be opening. Yeah, I know what the situation we're going through were, social distancing and all that. But guys, you just take care, you look after yourself, and you wrap up on that, guys. Yeah, wear your mask and that. You'll be fine, guys. Just take your camera. Yeah. So that is it for today, guys. Yeah, that is it for today, guys. I know I've not been sharing the screen there, but this is what I want about. Some of these, yeah, with your 1.2 and your 9.3. These are simple videos, like I said, and yeah, what are you waiting for, guys? So until next time, guys, I will bring another video of how to make money online how to make money on YouTube. Yeah, with a different niche next time. So come back next time. If you like this video, guys, please give me a thumbs up because it helps the video. This is one of my channels, Building My Empire, where, like I said, trying to make money as well. I'm learning different things, and what I do learn, I'm sharing on here. But I like video, yeah. So you will see a lot of like how to make money with video on this channel. If you like it, give us a thumbs up, please. And if you've not done so already, please subscribe. And until next time, guys, I'm Jay Roberts. This is Building My Empire. Goodbye.